Media filter. Media filters are cheaper to set up when compared with drum filters. This filter is also known as sand filter. This filter is partially filled with gravel, stone chips, biochar and sand. The larger stones are filled at the bottom of the filter and the medium stones in the middle and the fine sand are on the topmost layer of the filter. The water with suspended solid is allowed to pass through the pits with a pressure. To increase the flow rate, sometimes pumps are used to inlet the water with higher pressure. The water with suspended solid pumped into the media filter penetrates through the pits and the suspended solids are separated by the pressure exerted through the pits, leaving clean filtered water. As the solids accumulate at the top of the filter, backwash is required to remove the accumulations. Typical design of media filter in crab farming. Various sized sands are used in media filter. The volume of sand filter that we are used is of 1.1 cubic meter. We are using more than 70% of fine sand at the top of the filter, which is about 0.6 mm to 1.2 mm sized sands. Middle layer is filled with 1.2 mm to 2.4 mm sized sands, which are 12% of the sand. At the bottom, we use sands of 2.4 mm to 4.8 mm to form the base layer, that is nearly 16% of larger sands used in this filter. Note: it is important not to use a fine sand filter for all filtration processes, as it is difficult to remove the suspended solids from the sand. Operating sand filter. To operate the sand filter, one must be equipped with the minimum knowledge of handling the sand size and maintenance of filter, as it does not undergo continuous cleaning process as in drum filter. As the suspended solids stick into the sand, it must be cleaned every day regularly without fail. We term this process as backwashing. Backwashing process avoids the delay in the filtration process by removing the spread of solids that are stuck onto the sand. We always insist to backwash the system at least for 1 minute to confirm that the suspended solids are removed completely from the system. In performing the backwashing process, we have to take into consideration the salinity of water. For better purification, we have to maintain 4 to 5 kilograms of salt, salinity, in the system. In that case, backwashing can be done using fresh water, or the water obtained from the filter may also be used.